Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government sewing machine. Many government programs offer sewing machines to individuals and small businesses to foster skill development and economic growth. We will cover the essential steps, from understanding eligibility requirements to submitting a successful application. This guide helps you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you have all the necessary information. It is a straightforward process once you know the details. To qualify for a government sewing machine, you must first meet the specific eligibility criteria. Most programs require applicants to demonstrate an annual household income below a certain threshold, often around $40,000 for a single person. You also typically need to be a resident within the program's designated geographical area for at least 6 months. Furthermore, demonstrating that you operate a small business with fewer than 5 employees or are enrolled in a recognized vocational training program is usually essential. Preparing your documentation carefully can significantly speed up your application. You will need official forms of identification, such as a state-issued driver's license, along with proof of residency like a utility bill from the past 60 days. Income verification, often requiring your most recent tax return or pay stubs covering the last 3 months, is also essential. For businesses, a simple business plan outlining how the machine will be used and how it will contribute to your operations is highly recommended. Once all your documents are ready, you can proceed with submitting your application. Most government programs provide an online portal for convenient submission, which is usually the fastest method. Alternatively, you might find specific local government offices that accept paper applications. Always confirm their operating hours before visiting. It is crucial to double-check all deadlines, as late submissions are rarely accepted. Expect a processing time of approximately 4 to 8 weeks once your application is fully submitted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.